So we now have a real hands-on look at the Galaxy S24 Ultra, revealing its front design for the first time. And surprisingly, the phone looks better than what we saw on those official renders. What's up guys, Sal here. So when I first saw the official design of the S24 Ultra a few weeks ago, I was stoked to see Samsung finally going for those symmetrical thin bezels. But when I saw the titanium frame right next to it, it had me scratching my head because it was unusually thicker than what we have on the S23 Ultra. And it didn't make sense. Why would they want to make the frame thicker? But you know what? I got used to it. Today I stumbled upon a real-life leak of the S24 Ultra, and turns out that all those rumors and official renders had us fooled about the frame. In reality, it's much thinner than they made it out to be, in line with the S23 Ultra's frame. Ice Universe gave us some explanation as to why is that the case with things like orthogonal projections and whatnot.
What the f does that even mean?
In any case, the flat display is looking slick, settling any doubts about Samsung making that move. Even the selfie camera hole got a size reduction, and overall the front of the phone looks amazing. We've already seen the back, but let me show you one more time. Honestly, I'm usually all about curved displays, but looking at this phone right now, I'm not even mad they dished it. Also, if you don't know already, Samsung is offering a free $50 credit. You just need to show your interest in the S24 by dropping your name and email and hit reserve. No need to pay upfront or commit to buying when they launch it on the 17th. You can also save up to an additional $970 with enhanced trade-in and more when you pre-order the phone. The link to the offer is in the description. Moving on, the S24 Ultra will have OneUI 6.1 software out of the box, and Ice Universe mentions that the animations and the overall fluidity of the software are much better than OneUI 6 on the S23 Ultra right now. Now, speaking of OneUI 6.1, we have 3 more features the software is gonna bring on the S24 lineup. First, in the native gallery app, you'll be able to compress videos in real time without the need for a separate application. Consider a scenario where you want to share a video quickly, but the file size is too large. This AI tool enables users to compress videos directly within the gallery, streamlining the sharing process. This not only saves time but also ensures that the video maintains its quality while being more accessible for sharing through various platforms. Second, the S24 also offers you the flexibility to choose any specific part within the video and add slow motion effects to it, which is super cool. It's perfect for highlighting a cool move in your video or adding some drama, and the best part is you can do it right there in the gallery without downloading any extra app. Third, the phone comes with a browser assist that uses AI to help you point out important stuff, translate content, and give you quick summaries of the web pages you're checking out. With that said, the long-standing issue faced by Samsung users since the release of the S21 Ultra is finally addressed with the S24 Ultra. To know more, click here and I'll meet you there.